Today on the Mad Mixologist, we're traveling to the Pacific Coast. Treasure Island Beach is home to the Montage Hotel, a luxurious property with anything the rich and famous could ever ask for, including a bartender that creates magical moments and an award-winning mixologist.
This time, I'm not going to look the whole time.
Stop.
Can I offer a beverage for you to start?
Nick keeps people at the Mosaic with quick and refreshing original cocktails and a hidden talent.
I didn't get a chance to make the Nickerita for you the other day. Oh, Nickerita's got fresh lime juice, fresh muddled lemon, lime, and orange. 3/4 shrimp martini, 2 ounces of Don Julio Blanco. So just a scratch paired margarita, all fresh muddled citrus in there. You get the rind, so it gives that fresh burst of citrus. This time, I'm not going to look the whole time. You just tell me when to stop and pick the card.
Stop.
Want my fingers out?
Yep.
Is it possible that I saw that card?
No.
No way.
No way.
King of Clubs.
I did not. How is that possible?
Buy him a drink, by the way.
A good shuffle. I'm just going to ask you to tell me when to stop.
Stop.
This one? Do not tell me your card. You go ahead and shuffle it.
As it was. Go ahead. Nick.
See if I can find your card.
Let's see the magic.
Work it one more time, just to make sure you didn't do anything weird.
Ego.
Do not tell me if your card comes up.
Kyrie. No.
Next card I turn over to you.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Is this your card?
Yeah, you cheated. How? You cheated.
Let's do that again.
Okay. That was my card. Hold up.
Did I look at it?
No, go ahead. Let's try again. Stop.
This one or that one?
Sorry.
Stop right there. Yep.
The 2 of hearts?
Cheers to Nick for creating an unforgettable afternoon for everyone. As night falls, the drinks get more complex at the studio bar.
This just won a regional competition for Herradura. Absolutely, my name is Richard Henry. I work at studio at the Montage Laguna Beach. So this is called the Foreign Flame. Herradura Reposado, illegal mezcal, a house-made grenadine, lemon juice, and ginger syrup. It's a Herradura cocktail. It's inspired by a penicillin. So this cocktail is pre-batched, but in the cocktail is Woodford Reserve Rye, Royal Takai, Hungarian dessert wine, Amaro Nonino, Amaro Balsam, a Mexican Coke reduction, and this is our take on a Manhattan. And now comes the show. We're just trying to get the rest of those beautiful oils that we just expressed. And I just want you to continue to have that beautiful citrus as you enjoy this cocktail. This is called the Royal Reserve, so it's the nod to the 2 main factors, the Woodford Reserve and the Royal Takai. So we kind of combined the 2 names and give it the name of Royal Reserve, and then it just happened to so have a kind of classic cocktail feel to it as we built the classic cocktail of Manhattan.
How do you make a Mexican Coke reduction?
So we take a traditional bottle of Mexican Coke. The reason why I like that is instead of using high fructose corn syrup, they use cane sugar, so it's a little bit more true to the original recipe. The reduction takes out all the water, the carbonation condenses the flavor, so you get that beautiful Coke syrup. And everybody loves a whiskey Coke, and that was kind of my inspiration to get it in this cocktail. And what's cool about this drink is it really does taste like a Manhattan. However, on the finish, when you get that first breath of air over your palate, you have that really familiar flavor of Coca-Cola, and you're just kind of like, ah, I love that. That's nice. So it's kind of this great thing where you're drinking your spirit-forward cocktail, and then you have your kind of comfort of your, whiskey Coke that you probably grew up drinking when you were younger.
Cheers to the Montage for creating a stage for these two true professionals.